My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back. And for any new viewers, welcome. So today I'm just going to do what is hopefully a quick unboxing. I just got this in the mail this morning. I woke up about 8:15 or so and was getting my coffee going, let Paris out, my Yorkie, and all of a sudden I hear a knock on the door. And of course I'm not going to open the door at no 8:15 in the morning because who knows who it could be. So anyway, I looked out the window and I saw that it was the mailman, so I knew that he would leave whatever was there. I knew he would leave it at the door, and he did. So this is what we got. And it is, I haven't even broken the seal yet. It's a lipstick caddy, kind of like an acrylic lipstick holder. So I'm so excited. So I'm going to do the unboxing with you. I don't know if I should do it here or stand back and do it. So we'll figure it out. Maybe I'll stand up and do it over here. All right, so I think it's supposed to hold 80 lipsticks. They had a choice of one that held 64 and one that held 80. So of course, I plan on buying more lipsticks. So of course, I got the one that holds the 80. I don't remember the name of the company, but I'll look it up and I'll put it here or down in the description bar. And I think it was like $30, $31. All right, so I'm gonna get back there and open it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and crack the seal here. I don't know if I'm doing it the right way or upside down or what, but let's just, oh, there's a little boo-boo on it right there. Oh, okay, so yeah, I think I'm opening it the right way. My daughter has one of these, and I've always loved hers. So I'm sure she got hers at a different company, but I'm excited. Okay, so here's how it's packaged. This is the top, because I recognize it. Woo, here we go. There it is. They had it packaged really nice, guys. Look, foam on all four sides and everything. Awesome. With the little foam lid. All right, let me get rid of all this and then I'll come and show you everything. Okay, so here's, wow, I don't have to put nothing together, yay! Oh my goodness, it's so adorable. It's adorable. Oh, it spins, yay. How cute is that? And it has room up here for 2, 4, 6, 8 on the top, and it has its individual little areas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 18 lipsticks on this side, 18 on this side, so 18 on all four sides. So here it is, close up. Let me sit back down now that I thought the box was going to be harder to open than that. So, okay, here it is. Yay! So I think I'm going to put it right there on my vanity. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, it spins so nice too. Look at that. Yay! So I think I'll fill it up and then maybe take a thumbnail picture and show you where I'm going to put it on my vanity after I fill it all up. Alrighty guys, so let me go ahead and do that and I will be right back with y'all. Okay guys, so here it is. Here's the lipstick holder all filled up. I'm hoping nothing slides out or that I'm balancing it on one hand and it's heavy. But I love it. Yay. I'll take a picture and insert it here in a little bit. Love it. I'm going to put it down and then I'll talk about it a little bit more. Okay, so that was heavy. It's not that heavy, but I was holding it for a long time because I was taking thumbnail pictures and then I hit record so that I could show it to y'all. So I have it over here. I'll straighten up here in a little bit and I will show you where I put it. And yeah, I love it. I only have 3, 4, 5, I only have 6 slots vacant. So I thought I was gonna not have enough and I was gonna be able to go buy a bunch more lipsticks and fill it up more, but I have everything in there. I guess I even have my lip glosses, so as you saw, some of the lip glosses were like sticking far out. So what I might do when I buy more lipstick is I'll just take out the lip glosses, keep the lip glosses in my acrylic drawers, and yeah, fill that up with just plain tubes of lipstick. But for now, I wanted to see it all filled up, so I put glosses and lipsticks in there. So I did it by brand and by color. I was going to do just like all nude regardless of what brand it was by, but I thought, no, let me do all my Maybellines on one side, all my Wet n Wilds on another side, and on the top I have two of the main glosses that I always use. They're kind of clearish. This looks like it has a lot of pink, but it actually goes on very clear. But this is the one I always use, my Smoochie, so I have that on the top. And also on the top I have all these, I have 5 of the Peak Cosmetics Duet, and it's Duet because it has lipstick and gloss on it. So yeah, I have those on the top. And yeah, so alrighty guys, I'm so excited. It's so cute. It's gonna be so easy. Before I was having to reach into my drawer, open it up to get my lipsticks out, but now I have them all here nice and handy. Yay! Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture, insert the picture of where I actually have it, and then keep in mind though, my vanity still doesn't look the way I want it to look 100%. I'm getting there. I think eventually I'll put all these brushes in drawers. I'm not sure, because I don't like how the brushes look. I like how convenient you can just reach and grab it, but I don't like how they look. It looks cluttered. So, alrighty guys, I will see y'all later. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and like I said, it was $31, and I'll put the name up here or the link down below if I can find the link. I'll go through my emails and see if I can find it for you guys. I got it off of Amazon. I was searching for something else and all of a sudden that popped up and I'm like, yes, I need that. So hey guys, I've been looking online, looking for where I purchased it from. I cannot find it. I found this, but oh my word, that is $99. So I got a steal because it's the exact same thing, holds the exact same amount, 18 on each side, but I got mine for $30. I looked on my bank statement. It was $31 that came out, 31 and like 50 something and 50 something change. And I even looked at I even looked on there to see what the name of the company was, but my goodness, I cannot find it anywhere. Let me see. So here's where I got it from. I got it, oh, you probably can't even see it. I got it from this company right here. It's, wait, did I point at the wrong thing? No, I did. L-U-O space and then H-A-I-H-U-A, and it's from San Jose, California, and it was $31.55, but I typed in L-U-O-H-A-I-H-U-A to see where I got it from, and it's not showing up. But oh my goodness, but there it is right there. I got it from that company. Yeah, paid $31.55 for it. I'm gonna keep looking for you, and if I don't find it, I'll go ahead and later on I'll pin a comment at the bottom of this video to let you know where I got it from, because I know y'all are gonna be asking me. Last time when I showed you my new acrylic drawers, everyone kept asking me where I got it from, and I actually did mention it in the video. I got my acrylic drawers at Houseables, a store on Amazon. This one I also found on Amazon, but I'm gonna keep searching. Alrighty guys, but yeah, I got a steal because right there, that one is the exact same thing and it says $99, and I did not pay $99 for mine. Okay guys, so I just found this one for $26.89 on Walmart's website, so walmart.com. So that is about what I paid for mine. I think I paid like 27 something, and then with tax and everything it came to $31.55. So Since I can't find the exact same place I bought mine at, here is the exact same thing. It holds the exact same amount. See, right here, there's 3 on each row, and there's 18 on each side, and 8 up top. It's the exact same thing from Walmart.com. So, yay, at least you can go get it from there. Yay! All right. Alrighty, guys, so don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.